perfectly done. The livery on it, all its body panels and all, so well done, neatly done, man. आज का एजेंडा है मोटरसाइकिल मॉड रिव्यू. As always, we'll be giving out the golden sprocket 69 teeth. Also, वीडियो के एंड में we'll be reviewing अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स की मोटरसाइकिल जो आप लोग चैट में रिकमेंड कर सकते हो. बट आपकी होनी चाहिए, किसी और की नहीं. This mic is seducing me. Oh, is it? How are you today?
क्यों नहीं हो रही पढ़ाई?
और बाय द वे नया माइक. यस, दिस इज NS400. ये मॉड इंडिया का नहीं है. पहली बात, ये बंदे ने रीअपलोड किया है, सो ये कहीं बाहर गांव का लग रहा है. कुछ साउथ अमेरिकन मॉड लग रहा है फॉर श्योर. कोलंबिया, ब्राजील, समवेयर देयर. एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंसेन NS400 मॉड आई हैव सीन. सिंगल साइडेड स्विंग आर्म, गोल्डन फोक के साथ गोल्डन एक्सेंट दिया है मोटरसाइकिल पे. डेफिनेटली मेल तो नहीं है, definitely pure Colombian, most probably. Man, still, man, I don't understand this tank shape of a NS. These tanks, na, of NS 200, 400 are like silbattas for your tattas. Okay, that came out weird. If it was Indian, 100% this was a golden sprocket. एक और NS200 है, NS400 नहीं, but one more NS, one more silbatta for your tattas. Oh, they have put an extension on the swing arm. Oh, भाई साहब, ये भी इंडियन नहीं है ना? It has yellow number plate. This is not Indian, right? That tank is actually a population controlling feature. See the mods they're doing, man, on a Pulsars. Bajaj need to start hiring from South America. Stop hiring from India. NS200 it seems. What? Why? They need to hire better people for the designing and upgrading the motorcycle. Especially आपने देखा है डोमिनार का जो लेटेस्ट मॉडल अभी 2025 का लॉन्च किया है, जो मेरे को याद है, कंसोल चेंज किया है, ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल डाला है और कुछ फीचर्स डाले हैं. बाइक वही है जो थी पहले. ऑल दे हैव डन इज जो NS400 में था फीचर्स, आई थिंक दे हैव पुश इट टू डोमिनार by the same motorcycle what they have been selling for I think a decade now. The new RS they launched, oh my lord, was a tail light. God knows what Bajaj is doing. But what Bajaj is doing good right now is saving KTM. So I cannot comment too much, because I bleed orange. अभी इसमें क्या ही पूछा पब्लिक से, इंडिया का मॉड तो है नहीं, तो आई वुड हैव गिवन इट 5 स्पार्क प्लग. अरे भाई, तीन तिगाड़ा काम बिगाड़ा, ये भी बाहर का ही मॉड है. एनीवेज, विल चेक इट आउट. ओके, दिस इज अ RC 200 और 390 जो भी है, full blacked out, goes with the helmet. Check out the exhaust, the chunky exhaust. I love the chunky exhaust. Check out the headlamp. I love that headlamp setup, like that old S1000 RR setup. कानी आंख वाला.
अबे साले,
इसका एक ही आंख है, but it goes so well with the bike. I think he bought the body kit. He made a hole, put a aux light inside it, but it came out so well. This is something, is inspiring me to build. And the frame is still orange and the yellow spring. I think this is a aftermarket suspension at the back. Yeah, this one is much more clearer. Yeah, this is a proper body kit. This is a racing kit. See the seat and all. This is a racing kit जिसके ऊपर modification किया है. This is one of the coolest looking RC, clean, different. This was a 5 और a sprocket. इसमें जनता से पूछ के कुछ नहीं कर सकते. इंडिया का board नहीं है, but yeah. Again, first 3 mods are from outside for some reason. You guys only shared with me. It's not like I went looking for them. Okay, oh, Mr. Band Rap Langlu is back from Meghalaya with his new updated R15, who makes these mini MotoGP replicas. I think this is the old R15 and this is the new one, the white one. Proper mini MotoGP motorcycle. Again, the mods hain, they're not about practicality. These people are trying to achieve a vision, and their vision was to make the current MotoGP motorcycle. Check out the winglets and all, like how we have in MotoGP. Goddamn, perfectly done. The livery on it, all its body panels and all, so well done, neatly done, man. 150cc, by the way. Kids in my chat will be like, CCs. बाप रे बाप, खतरनाक वोटिंग भाई साहब. 55% people gave golden sprocket. 69 teeth golden sprocket goes to Band Rap Langlu bhai for their latest project motorcycle. So congratulations. And next project bike क्या रहेगी इनकी? Very excited to see. Whoa, a TVS XL, my enemy. Goddamn, check out that Harley Davidson. यतीश भाई विद डबल व्हील कवर. आई हाय हाय, क्या जब एक्टिंग भी खतरनाक कर रहे हैं. yeah, turning heads, lifting head. I'm sure all this acting na his friends only made him do. He's not feeling comfortable doing all that. His friends were like, ये acting करो, वो acting करो. I think what he did was he moved the tank, moved the battery, I feel, some wheel covers, headlight covered by a शैतान की आंख. Please, the seat is also changed. Now it become a bloody cruiser bike.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
इसका नाम क्या होगा? Harley Davidson XL Bob, Triple XL 100. Harpic Davidson. Slim Bob, yeah. Hardly erection. It's oh yeah, you guys are good, dude. Dude, it's a cool project motorcycle. I think this guy ना ये पड़ी होगी इसके पास Excel. He just made a project bike at home to make a video with it. Okay, so look from that perspective. एक spark plug वाली होती है बाइक, मैं मानता हूँ, but I don't think that this is a one spark plug bike. This is just a project bike man built for fun. It's a very budget thing. At least he wears helmet. Yeah, he is wearing helmet, man. Though he's wearing chappal, but still, you guys are improving. We as a Janta, we are Sarkar, our perspectives improving about these mods and all. Not be mean all the time. So chat ने मिलके दिया है 4 spark plug, and I would have given 2, maybe 4 or 3 spark plug, but this works. Pretty cool. Cool stuff, Satish bhai. So this is from Satish XYZ. You can go check him out if you want to. ये अपना बंदा है. His name is Kori. Street Kori. He's from Karnataka itself and very nice fellow. Once I went to Chitradurga, found me somehow, I don't know how. And then he found me where I was staying. He came to meet me and he showcased his motorcycle. So lovely fellow, and what a crazy mod he has. He has an Interceptor, which he has modded. So check out this upswept double barrel exhaust. The chopped off rear. Okay, this is the hottest 2 into 2 so far. Very nice. This is an Interceptor 650 by the way. बहुत लोग mod करते हैं अपनी GTs को. And this is something which I want to showcase. This speedometer. This speedometer is from Germany or something. It's very, very expensive. Please don't quote me on this. Some 40, 50 grand or something you have to pay for the speedometer. I think more. The look that you get from the speedometer just changes the whole feel of the motorcycle when you're riding it. I rode this motorcycle. That's why I'm telling you. Last one is Papa riding it, by the way. The sound of the exhaust was super. So one more thing I forgot. So he has changed his wheels also, which has made the motorcycle very stable. Okay, I think the wheels are from Hunter. Hunter के wheels लगे हैं and the tires भी different है. Okay, check this out. This is from Hydraulic Breaker. Check out that mod on a Lord Splendor. Lord Splendor. Why is the front wheel looking so small for some reason? That bloody handlebar with handlebar risers. Oh my god. It's like a monkey bar bedded crossbar, and there is a aux light also on top of it. Check out that pillion grab rail. There's no wheel cover. Pretty cool. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
Coops.
That just gave off. Khatam. What is the gun? What does this look like? What kind of gang sign is this? This is Dil Jala sign. Okay. Dil Jale. Dil Jala wala sign hai. But check out that front. It's a huge disc. A 320mm disc, man. Also dual. I think the front suspension is also tall, man. That's why the front wheel looks smaller. How is he riding like that? You're not getting enough motion. For that weird sign, obviously he's gonna get the जला हुआ 1 spark plug. Bike का mod के ऊपर बात कर लेते हैं. Splendor with aids it seems. Yeah, aids that helps the motorcycle. You know that aids we're talking about. ABS हो गया, traction control हो गया. These are aids. Sarkar ने मिलके दिया है इस mod को 3 spark plug. Not bad. As long as he's enjoying the motorcycle, who are we to comment, right? Okay, इसको देखना पड़ेगा. This is the video is from the Clutchless. What all mod they've done?
BS3 Duke
Can't
390
understand it, but
Supermoto.
yeah.
ഇതിന് ഒരു കാര്യം കൂടി
This is a BS3 Duke 390 Supermoto build. Cool.
And
bike weights less than 140 kg. Crazy. First things which I can see, which I can comment on, is the headlamp. When I had a Duke, a BS3 Duke, I always wanted this kind of headlamp on my motorcycle. From AliExpress उस टाइम पे मैं ऑर्डर करना चाहता था, लेकिन उस टाइम में मैं इतना पैसा कमाता नहीं था, so I couldn't, commit to it and buy that headlamp. But I always wanted this headlamp on my Duke 390 at that time. I'm not even kidding. और Supermoto के लिए उन्होंने यूज किया है these spoke wheels, which gives the Supermoto look very sexy. Then the exhaust has been changed. Totally changed. पहले underbelly exhaust पहले आता था, but they have moved it side upswept exhaust. Cool. Handlebar change किया है. That flat seat that we use on dirt motorcycle ना, that will give a proper Supermoto look. But this also looks good.
Spoke wheel conversion.
Nice.
Tire condition.
Yeah, it's adjustable suspension. Pretty cool.
So
it's a
first
Kerala
I got
mod,
the
by the way.
tires change, yeah.
The tail rack they should remove off, man. That'll give a much cleaner look. And I would have given it 2. Same thing. I wish I still had my BS3 Duke 390. This is something I would have done to my Duke 390. This project build. Very cool. 5 spark plug from Sarkar. Okay. ये है from Arya 46. Check this out. कैसी लग रही हूँ. See, I'll say this is not some extraordinary mod. The reason why I selected this reel to showcase the quality of the video. Mod is cool. Mod looks damn cool. Huh? Clean hai. I love the color combinations and everything. Goes with his jacket, attire and everything. But the quality of the video is insane. Also, do not talk about number plates and rear view mirror. Content के लिए बंदे ने निकाला होगा. अपना फालतू में blood pressure इस एज पे ना बढ़ाइए. Mod video को mods के लिए ही देखिए बस. 5 स्पार्क प्लग्स। सारकार ने प्यार से इतने क्लीन मोटरसाइकिल विद के को 5 स्पार्क प्लग दिया है प्यार से। आई लव इट, आई लव इट। अनदर MT15 फ्रॉम Bad Spy. I think there are some body panels, right? Who are selling these body panels? I'm not sure who's selling these body panels. Auto लोग sell कर रहे हैं क्या body panels ये सब? Check out the upstrap exhaust. See, I'm not a fan of this fake exhaust. See, I will always call it fake. I'm never gonna call it Akrapovic because a fake is a fake. But this Akrapovic exhaust now actually looks very nice. Build quality and all, it won't be great. I can write and give you. It won't be anywhere close to our original Akrapovic. But it looks cool. Headlight has conjunctivitis or it's high on some Zaza. But overall, cool stuff, man. The livery design is damn cool. Headlamp also looks cool to me for some reason. Video में तो cool लग रहा है, real life में पता नहीं क्या है. There's no wheel cover. How about that? They are dual disc though. Weird. Okay. And check out this panel, man. Is it hydro depth on the rims? It's a Rosso 3 tire. What? What the dude? This guy spent a shit ton of money. Hefty. The bike looks hefty now. The MT15 with conjunctivitis के लिए पोल लगा हुआ है. I don't mind. 5 spark plug. It is then. Sarkar ने दिया है मिलके. We accept it. Okay. This is from the Neptune. Okay. This is a R15 V4, right? Extended swing arm. Check out the exhaust. I think it has a. Oh, it does have a lowering strap. I think it's from Kerala. This mod. Clean but overdone. And both the wheels have wheel cover. Sadly. But one thing I've realized ना. I'm seeing over the period of time. क्योंकि मैं हर मंथ तो एक वीडियो एटलीस्ट जो बनाता ही हूँ मोटरसाइकिल मॉड के ऊपर. And I'm seeing the usage of wheel covers have actually come down a lot. Comparatively 2025 will be the end of wheel covers. Note it down.
इधर लिख लो कहीं यूपीएससी के एग्जाम में ना आ जाए.
नहीं तो ये चैनल बन 2026 में. 2025 is the end of wheel cover. लिख लो तुम लोग. ये तो पापा चैनल को डिलीट कर दें. Lot of things going on with this motorcycle. It has my RAM का लाइट जैसे इसके DRL में जल रही है. सारकार ने मिलके दिया है प्यारा 4 spark plug. Not bad. Maybe if we remove both the wheel covers, maybe golden sprocket. ये देखिए, ये वही वाला मॉड है. कोई विजन नहीं है. लोग ऐसा मॉड करते हैं अपनी मोटरसाइकिल पे जहां पे जो मिलता वो लगा है. There is no passion.
There is no vision.
यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्या ये इंग्लैंड के झंडे का टैंक पैड लगा है. टैंक कवर इज फाइन. इजी होता रिमूव करना. चोर को भी इजी होगा निकालना. फिर यहाँ पे GPS द कार प्ले थिंग इज देयर. डायरेक्टली आपके मोबाइल से कनेक्ट हो जाता है. व्हील कवर, ओ लॉर्ड. फ्लैशर, लॉट ऑफ फ्लैशिंग हैपनिंग. चिपकाने वाला भी विंगलेट नहीं था. ये पूरा बोल्टेड ऑन है. ये उल्लू वाला ऑक्साइड लगा है यहाँ पे. He has actually spent a lot of money actually here. This hugger looks so weird. Too much happening for me. There is money spent, but then there's very questionable mods on it, which I don't like personally, which has been just done for the heck of it. Maybe there is a passion, but vision थोड़ा missing लग रहा है मेरे को यहाँ पे. हल्दीराम, all in one. Tail light, oh lord. Tail light को heart attack आ रहा है. कोटा tail light. I wouldn't have given 1 spark plug. That's too much. There is some money spent on good stuff here and there. I would have given a 2 spark plug. चलो 1 spark plug जो काम करता है. ठीक है. जला हुआ स्पार्क प्लग ने. ओके, ये बहुत लोग शेयर कर रहे हैं. ये इंडिया का मॉड अगेन नहीं है. ये बाहर का साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज का कहीं का तो मॉड है ये. दिस इज अ मुर्गा मॉड. देसी मुर्गा. आई थिंक नॉट देसी, गेसी मुर्गा. एटलीस्ट दिस इज बेटर देन द लास्ट मॉड. ही हैड सम विजन एंड ही वेंट विद दैट. ही डिडंट जस्ट पुट व्हाटएवर ही फाउंड ऑन द इंटरनेट. सब लगा रहे तो हम भी लगाएंगे. He went with something he wanted to do. Maybe he worked at मेला, मुर्गियों का मेला. There is a passion and there is a vision involved here. We might not like it, but he wanted to live that murga life, the murga chap. Or maybe it's not a cock, man. Maybe it's a phoenix. Anyways, what is that fan doing behind? What is this fan for? He's considerate about others. दूसरों के लिए सोचता है बंदा. But check out the chain. The chain is fluttering around. But everything is colored though. Everything has a design on it. From the engine case, to the suspension, mud guard. See the rear seat cowl, which is feathers. For some reason, it has a mark of a Monster Energy drink. Or maybe he is sponsored by Monster Energy drink. हो भी सकता है. Even the rear view mirror is designed. Even the exhaust has been designed. Not just painted a random color. It has been designed to go with the flow of the full motorcycle. Top speed it seems. 1 मुर्गा पावर पर चलती है वाली मोटरसाइकिल. तो कितना ही आपको टॉप स्पीड मिलेगा इसमें. हम लोग इंडियन मॉड्स के ऊपर ही पोल करते हैं. So I think personally 5 spark plug from पापा. अब हम लोग देखेंगे सब्सक्राइबर्स के मॉड जो हम लोग को इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करते हैं, यूट्यूब पे फॉलो करते हैं. उनका हम लोग मॉड देखेंगे. आई वॉन्ट टू नो व्हाट यू गाइस राइट, व्हाट यू गाइस मॉड. ओके, लेट्स चेक इट आउट. तो ये है MJ155, हमारे ही फॉलोअर्स हैं. एंड हिज MT15 very nice with the body kit. I feel very Yamaha blue cool. एंड रिमेंबर, यहाँ पे सब लोग रोस्ट होते हैं, तो आप भी रोस्ट हो गए. इफ यू आर शेयरिंग, सो बी रेडी टू बी रोस्टेड. व्हील कवर नहीं है, फॉलो करते हो, 5 स्पार्क प्लग तो ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा. बट हाँ, दिस लुक्स डैम कूल. MT15 शोई का हेलमेट, आई डोंट थिंक सो. 5 स्पार्क प्लग टी शर्ट मिलेगा. यू आर क्रेट 2. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? कैल 39T को चेकआउट करते हैं. ओके, फ्रॉम तिरुपुरा, वेरी नाइस. दैट्स अ AGV. I think that's a AGV K1. I've seen this helmet. K1 or K3, one of those. Very nice. Oh, check out the headlamp. Gear पूरा पहने हुए हैं. Very nice, and he's touring on it. Especially for the gear and the helmet and all. Double 5 spark plugs. ये है हमारे DMOS 650 भाई. Oh, DMOS 650. Oh my God, this guy, dude. This guy has been after me on Instagram to check out. भैया मेरा चेकआउट करो, पापा मेरा चेकआउट करो. Luckily इसका पकड़ लिए mod. It was fate. It was written in the fate. That's a cool retro helmet. Clip-on को और lower किया यहाँ पे. Okay. I think for the look purpose, he has put that red cage. मैं इसको जेल बोलता हूँ. Motorcycle guards and all these huge ones. मैं उनको जेल बोलता हूँ. It's like you have put your motorcycle in a jail. But it looks cool actually. When I saw it first time na, for this Mr. Clean GT, this red jail looks good. Pops out. Helmet तो बहुत ही प्यारा है. Recently you did the chopping. Oh, that's cool. If I have a GT, I am gonna chop off my rear instantly. Isn't it more uncomfortable to ride it? By lowering the handlebar more, obviously it'll be. From this, it looks like you're very much cramped. Very cool. 5 spark plug indeed. With that jail of a crash guard. Okay, last checkout कर लेंगे. Scarlett 350 को हमारे follower हैं. Let's check out his bike. I think his bike is again a Hunter. One of the coolest motorcycle in town. Again, Cafe Racer mod है इस पे. Nice. With the orange hint. He has a bit of KTM DNA in him. Very nice. I appreciate that. PB की बाइक है, मैंने देखा. Namakul. Where are the horns? Where is the fat tires? Shame on you, Scarlett 350. 5 spark plug.